Is this the bike that finally changes everything we know about American muscle? For decades, Harley-Davidson has been defined by chrome, comfort, and that unmistakable low-end rumble. But for 2026, the factory has unleashed something different, something ruthless. This is the 2026 CVO Street Glide ST. It's not just a luxury bagger, it's a track-bred predator. With the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output engine, it's making a serious claim for the title of the most powerful production Harley-Davidson ever built. Today, we're breaking down the specs, the racing DNA, and why this 121-hoe powerhouse might just be the most important motorcycle in Harley's modern history. Let's get into it. Let's start with the headline, the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output hoe engine. Now, if you're familiar with the standard CVOs, you know about the 121 VVT. But the ST is a different animal. To squeeze out every ounce of performance, Harley actually removed the variable valve timing. We're looking at a staggering 127 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque. That makes this the highest horsepower and torque combination ever to come off a Harley-Davidson assembly line. The red line has been pushed to 5,900 RPM, and the engine features a high-performance camshaft and a heavy breather intake that flows 26% more air than the standard units. When you crack the throttle, the response is instant. This isn't just about cruising anymore. This is about acceleration that pins you to the seat. It's a 977cc monster that sounds as aggressive as it looks, especially with those screaming, Eagle titanium mufflers. You might be wondering, why does a bagger need to rev to nearly 6,000 RPM? The answer lies on the racetrack. The 2026 ST is the direct descendant of the MOTO-America king of the baggers racing series. Harley-Davidson has been dominating the track with the screamin' Eagle factory team, and they've ported that championship DNA directly into this chassis. The ergonomics are a dead giveaway. You've got a moto-style handlebar sitting on 6-inch risers, putting you in a commanding, aggressive stance. It's wider and taller than the standard Street Glide, giving you the leverage you need to flick this 800-pound machine through corners. And look at the seat. It's a solo unit with an Alcantara-style cover to keep you planted during hard launches. This isn't a bike for two-up touring with the family. This is a bike for the rider who wants to rule the canyons. In the world of performance, weight is the enemy. Harley's engineers went on a diet for the ST, utilizing forged carbon fiber. You'll find it on the front fender, the tank console, and the seat cowl. Even the end caps on those titanium exhausts are forged carbon. The result? The Street Glide ST weighs in at approximately 816 pounds in running order. Now, that might still sound heavy, but it's nearly 25 pounds lighter than the standard CVO. In the bagger world, that's a massive gain for handling. To control that power, you've got a fully adjustable suspension suite from Showa. We're talking 47 inverted forks up front and remote reservoir emulsion shocks in the rear. Combined with Brembo radial-mounted 4-piston calipers and wave-style floating rotors, the ST stops as fast as it goes. It's the most precise handling batwing bagger Harley has ever engineered. Inside that iconic batwing fairing is a cockpit that looks more like a fighter jet than a traditional motorcycle. The centerpiece is the 12.3-inch TFT color touchscreen running the Skyline OS. It's crystal clear, fast, and replaces all those analog gauges with a fully digital, customizable interface. But the real tech magic is in the 8 selectable ride modes. You have your standard road, rain, and sport, but the ST introduces Track and Track Plus. These modes recalibrate the cornering-enhanced ABS, traction control, and engine braking specifically for high-speed performance. And let's not forget the sound. Even with that engine screaming, You've got a Rockford Fosgate stage II audio system pumping out 125 watts per channel. Whether you're listening to the 121 Ho or your favorite playlist, the experience is immersive. Visually, the 2026 CVO Street Glide ST is a masterpiece. For this year, Harley has introduced striking new colorways like Electric Coast and Inferno Gray. The red-tinted windscreen and red accents on the engine and wheels scream performance before you even turn the key. So, is it the most powerful Harley ever? On the production line, the numbers say yes. At a starting price of roughly $44,999, it's a premium investment, but you're getting the absolute pinnacle of American V-twin engineering. It's a bike that honors the past but isn't afraid to outrun it. It's loud, it's fast, and it's unapologetically aggressive. If you've been waiting for a Harley that can actually back up its tough look with world-class performance specs, the 2026 CVO Street Glide ST is finally here.